Okay, we are live. This is Kristen and Brett working on the RSpec test. Right before this meeting, I wrote a before block so that we can have some movies to test everything with. And we're going to get started. So the first thing we need in an RSpec test is like the context.
Mm-hmm.
So should we do it for like when the movies have like the same director first?
Yeah.
Okay, so when the movie has, or like, so you see how I made like 3 movies and like 2 of them have directors and the next doesn't?
Yeah.
So we'll just do it first for like movie 1 and we'll say like when the movie has a director, and then like after this we could do it for movie 3 and say like when it doesn't have a director.
Okay.
And I think these are always due end blocks. Okay, and then we need to describe. So we can do like find movies like with the same director.
Mm-hmm.
So describe like when we search for a movie with same director. Okay, and I think those are. Do you know if those are due blocks? I think so, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So like then we need like a little the it things. So what should we do? Like it'll find a movie with the same director.
Yeah. Try that.
Okay, let me write the end. Okay. So in order to like find a movie with the same director, like it has to be able to like know what movie it's talking about. It has to be able to like know the director for that movie, and then we want like the same director's function to like return the movie we want.
Mm-hmm.
So like I think we have to do like the stub stuff, so we could do like allow statements,
Yeah.
like allow the movie to receive, like find, so we could find like what movie we're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
And then I did like those IDs up top, so it'll find that ID
Yeah.
and it'll return movie 1. Okay, and then so we also need it to be able to like call the what's it called? Like the constructor for the director. So that would be like allow the actual movie to receive director. And that's like that thing we wrote in the first line of I think it was movies controller, how we added like director to it.
Okay. Yeah.
So it'll receive director and it'll return. Did I make a director? Yeah, director 1. Okay, and now we have to actually make it like call our function, and so
Mm-hmm.
like that's like the expect thing. So we want to
Yeah.
expect movie 1 to receive. What do we call that function? Same directors.
Similar directors, I think. Oh,
Oh,
same
this one,
directors,
same
is it?
directors. Yeah. I think
Oh,
similar
yeah, it
was
is
the
same.
controllers one.
Yeah, true.
Okay, so we want it to receive that, and it'll return. And then I made like this array here, and it has like movies with the same director.
Oh, okay,
Like,
that makes sense.
so we want it to just return that array.
Okay.
And then we have to do like that thing we did in routes.rb, like the get.
Yeah.
So like you know how when you type like rake routes, it says like the routes and then it says like get and stuff.
Yeah.
So like I think we just have to do like get, and then this would be that other method, right? Like what's the one we wrote the routes for? Similar or same directors?
I
Oh, similar.
think it's similar, right? Yeah.
Yeah. So we want to get similar, and then it has to take like parameters. I think it would take the ID of the
Yeah,
movie.
the idea, yeah.
The ID, okay. So then I think it's just rocket ID 1. Okay. And like I think that should work. Should we try to run it?
Yeah.
It kind of sucks because we were supposed to like write the test beforehand, but we did not do that.
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay. So undefined local variables, same directors. Okay.
That
Oh,
might work.
I just forgot a colon.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, cool.
So it passed.
Yeah, that one passed. So we can write like another. What's like? Okay, so we have 40% coverage now. They want us to have like over 90, which is kind of ridiculous.
Okay.
We could do it like should we make like this top one like an expect and like the other two an allow? Like that. You know what I mean? To
Wait.
make like to check if it like can receive find.
Oh, at this line here.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so it like can call find to get movie object with ID.
Okay.
Do and so then it would just I'm just gonna copy paste these because I think it'll be pretty much the same.
Hmm.
And then we can make this one like expect,
Okay.
and then make this one an allow. All right, let's see if that increases the coverage. It won't pass, but it didn't increase our coverage at all. So we probably have to do something that's not like maybe we reach all of the coverage with these, you know?
Okay. So we would do something with the new context
Yeah. Or we could do the same context.
with different.
We don't reach like the view yet, right? Should we check if it like can do like the right template?
Yeah.
Okay. What is that template called? Similar?
Yeah, I think it's similar.
Yeah. We probably should have made these names better because similar is so confusing.
Yeah.
Okay, so it renders the template we want. So we'll still like allow it to receive the same shit. So I'm just gonna copy that.
Hmm.
Did you look at like the homework, like not homework 6, but it was called like the open source stuff?
No, I didn't look at that yet, did you?
I looked at it, but I don't really understand what we're supposed to do. Like she said, do a pull request, but I don't know like on what.
Oh yeah. What did she said something about that in class? Like if we did it for the project, we can use that or something. For like
Yeah,
the college daily, I have to look at that.
yeah, and then there was like another thing that was like we have to like participate in like a scrum for like an open source project where you like vote on difficulty of things.
Oh yeah.
I was like, what is that?
I
Okay.
think I think we just go to like the Agile Ventures page and like join a chat and like tell them what we're doing or something like that. I'm pretty sure that's what she's saying.
I don't know how to do that. I'll ask
I'm
her
not.
today.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we need to say like it renders the template. So we'd have like an expect statement. I don't know like the syntax for this. I think it's like expect the response.
Okay.
And then it's always dot two, and I think it's hold on, I'm gonna look up if it's what the syntax is.
All right.
What is this? RSpec does?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just render underscore template. And then that one was called similar, I think. Okay. Oh, did I spell it wrong? Yeah, I just spelled it wrong.
All right.
Oh, cool. Why is the coverage not increasing? That's so annoying. We can like write tests for like the create and like destroy.
Okay.
I have to like go in 5 minutes though. So do you want to write those ones
Yeah, I can work
and
on
we
those
can like
ones.
talk about it in class later?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Well, that was like semi-productive. We have 40% coverage.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
All right, I'm gonna stop the broadcast.
All right.